Okay, so it's almost 7 a.m. and I'm now on the ferry. In 2 hours, I will be in Tagbilaran. I've included the fees associated with the ferry for your reference. Freedive Plus is located on the north side of the island, about a 30-minute drive from Tagbilaran Ferry Terminal. Tagbilaran is the main city where all of the locals shop for groceries. One of my co-workers, Tessie, was nice enough to pick me up and tell me about the city. The staff housing is accurately named the Chili House because of its distinct red color. Right now, I'm sharing the place with Tessie and another instructor, Edwin. Another intern from France will be living here soon. Here are my humble accommodations in free staff housing. My roommate shows up in about 2 weeks, so until then, it's just me, myself, and the sea. The motorbike that I want to rent is available in 5 days, so right now I'm just hitching rides with dive shop staff and running to and from Freedive Plus. The run from the house to the shop is 1.3 kilometers or 0.8 miles and takes me about 6 minutes at a comfortable run. The locals have been pretty friendly, and some of them more talkative than others. I first heard about Freedive Plus through one of the mermaid performance groups that I'm a part of online. Tessie had posted about just finishing her instructor course, and I got curious about it and started asking questions. I communicated with Vincent, one of the owners of the dive shop, for a good 2 months via email as I began making plans to become an intern at Freedive Plus. I got to talk to Vincent for the first time in person, and we talked about freediving as well as what to expect in the months to come.
For me, I'm going to say this bluntly, I couldn't care less if you get certified here at the end. Of course I want you to get certified. But my aim is to make you into a freediver. And not just a freediver, a proper, skilled, high-level freediver.
After my chat with Vincent, we had a staff meeting for the English team so I could meet everyone. All right, everybody, say hi to my new freediving family. Hey. I then continued on my way to explore the rest of the academy, including an introduction to one of the 3 dive shop cats. Hey. What? So as we go up these steps, here is our pool that we are going to do our pool training in. I took a walk down to the water to check out the reef. So apparently I got here during the windy season, so it's a little bit wavier than normal. To all my friends and family, you know you have an open invite to come visit. So this is going to be home sweet home for the next few months. I am so excited. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Sailing Siren for more freediving related content from the Philippines. Stay tuned because next week I start my SSI Level 1 freediving course.